Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React. Today we are going to learn about the React table using the TanStack React table. Okay, so those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here you can see that I have made the basic table configurations. Okay, so here which library I am using currently. So this is the TanStack library for the creating the React table. Okay, so here we have the create column helper flex render get row model from the React table and stack React table, right? So here we have a default data, first name, last name, age. So here you can see first name, last name. So all of the data, we have dummy data over there. Now column, so here we have a create column helper, cell and the footer. So here we have the footer also and the header. Okay, so here you can see that the header we have a last name, then header we have a age, then visits. So here you can see that, and footer also is there. Okay, so this we have to create. Now we have to define the state over here, right? And then use React table which require data columns and the get core row model. Okay, so here we have the for the React table we have the get header groups for the header part, right? Next we have a get row model for the rows. Okay, and then we have a footer groups for the footer part. So here you can see that we have a footer one. Okay, so this is for the footer groups, and after this is we don't require for that one render button. Okay, just a spacer, and that's it. Okay, with the help of this you are able to create this kind of table with the help of the React and stack table. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and make sure to install the package that is TanStack React table. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.